Can you name the 4 rocky planets in our solar system? Earth, Venus, Mars, and Mercury. Can you name the 2 gas giants in our solar system? Saturn and Jupiter. Can you name the 2 ice giants in our solar system? Uranus and Neptune. Can you rank the 6 planets from largest diameter to smallest diameter? Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Earth, Venus, Mars, Mercury. Can you rank the planets from least massive to most massive? Mercury, Mars, Venus, Earth, Uranus, Neptune, Saturn, Jupiter. Can you rank the planets from least dense to most dense? Saturn, Uranus, Jupiter, Neptune, Mars, Venus, Mercury, Earth. What 2 moons are bigger than the planet Mercury? Ganymede, which is the moon of Jupiter, and Titan, which is a moon of Saturn. On average, which planet is closest to the Earth? It's Mercury. The orbit of Venus is closer to the orbit of Earth, but on average, the planet. How far away is Mercury from the Sun in astronomical units or light minutes? It's 0.4 AU away, 3.3 light minutes, or 200 light seconds. How far away is Venus from the Sun in astronomical units or light minutes? 0.7 AU, 5.8 light minutes, or 350 light seconds. How far away is Mars from the Sun in astronomical units or light minutes? It's 1.5 AU, 12.5 light minutes, or 750 light seconds. How far away is Jupiter from the Sun in astronomical units or light minutes? It's 5.2 AU, or 43.3 light minutes, or about 0.7 light hours. How far away is Saturn from the Sun in astronomical units or light minutes? It's 9.5 AU, or about 80 light minutes, or 1.3 light hours, almost twice as far as Jupiter. How far away is Uranus from the Sun in astronomical units or light minutes? It's about 19.2 AU, or 160 light minutes, or 2.7 light hours. How far away is Neptune from the Sun in astronomical units or light minutes? This is a corrected video. Neptune is 30.1 AU, or 255 light minutes, or 4.2 light hours. How far away is Pluto from the Sun in astronomical units or light minutes? 39 AU, or about 330 light minutes, or 5.5 light hours. How far away from the Sun is Heliopause in astronomical units or light hours? It's 120 AU, or about 17 light hours away. What dwarf planet is closest to Earth? Ceres, which is located in the main asteroid belt past Mars, 1.77 AU from Earth at closest approach. What is the brightest object in the Earth's night sky? The Moon has an apparent size of 0.5 degree and apparent magnitude of minus 12.74. How far is the Moon from the Earth in light seconds? It's around 239,000 miles away, or 1.3 light seconds away from Earth. What is the second brightest object in Earth's night sky? It's Venus with minus 4.14 apparent magnitude. It's always within 47 degrees of the sun, so look after sunset and before sunrise. After the moon and Venus, what is the third brightest object in Earth's night sky? It's Jupiter at minus 2.2 apparent magnitude. It has an apparent size of 30 to 50 arcseconds. What is the brightest star in Earth's night sky? Sirius, which is minus 1.46 apparent magnitude. It's part of Canis Major and visible both in the northern and southern hemisphere. What is the second brightest star in Earth's northern hemisphere night sky? It's Arcturus at minus 0.05 apparent magnitude in Boötes, visible in northern and parts of southern hemisphere. For the Harvard spectral classification of stars, can you name the star types from hottest to coldest? Our best astronomers frequently generate killer mnemonics: O, B, A, F, G, K, and M types. How old is the universe? Thought to be 13.8 billion years old. It's agreed by 3 different methods based on the Hubble constant, background radiation, and observed limits. What type of star, according to the Harvard spectral classification system, is most common? M-type stars, or red dwarf stars, make up 73% of stars in the Milky Way. If M-type stars are the most common, what is the second most common in the Milky Way? K-type stars, orange dwarf stars, make up 12% of stars in the Milky Way. What type of galaxy is thought to be the most common? Spiral galaxies. They're estimated to make up 60% of all galaxies. What is the closest neighboring solar system? Alpha Centauri. It's a trinary system with 3 stars. Proxima Centauri is the closest. What is at the center of the Milky Way? It's not nougat. It's a black hole, Sagittarius A. It's about 4 million times more massive than the Sun, which is pretty small for a supermassive black hole. Approximately how many stars are there in the Milky Way? About 100 billion. The Milky Way is about 150,000 light years wide. It's pretty big.
It is.
What is the named star that many call the North Star? Polaris. It's located in Ursa Minor. In thousands of years, it won't be the pole star anymore.
So cool.
What color is the hottest type of star? Blue. They're called O-type stars. Examples are Alnitak and Mintaka in Orion's belt. Under dark skies, how many galaxies beside the Milky Way can be seen with the naked eye? 1. Only the Andromeda Galaxy, Messier 31, can be seen. Which is the only planet in our solar system not named after a god? Earth. Planets were named after Roman gods because early European astronomers wrote in Latin. How long does it take for Jupiter to complete an orbit around the Sun? 12 Earth years. But a Jupiter day is only about 8 hours to complete one revolution. What is the Sun's outermost layer of atmosphere called? It's corona. Corona means crown. The corona is well visualized at 94, 131, and 171 angstrom. What color is the sunset on Mars? Blue. Mars has a thin atmosphere mainly composed of carbon dioxide that scatters the light to make it blue. The Earth is not a perfect sphere. What is the specific name for the Earth's shape? It's an oblate spheroid. It has an equatorial bulge due to its rotation. Which 2 planets have no moons? Mercury and Venus. All other planets have at least one. Earth is the only one with just one. Which planet in our solar system has the most volcanoes? Venus does. Data suggests up to 85,000 volcanoes and confirmed activity in the last 30 years. Which planet in our solar system has the most moons? Saturn does. In 2023, the International Astronomical Union announced 62 new moons, bringing the total to 146. In what year was Pluto demoted to a dwarf planet? In 2006. Pluto was demoted not due to its size, but its failure to clear its orbit. Which planet's moons, after Earth's, were next to be discovered, and who discovered them? Jupiter's largest moons, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto, were next to be discovered by Galileo in 1610. Which moon is the second largest in the solar system, and what planet does it orbit? Titan, which orbits Saturn. It has an atmosphere mainly of nitrogen, and it has a total pressure of 1.5 atms. Which moon is the largest in the solar system? What planet does it orbit? Ganymede, which orbits Jupiter. It's larger than Mercury, and it's thought to have more water than Earth. Which moon is the third largest in the solar system, and what planet does it orbit? Callisto, which orbits Jupiter. It's about the same size as Mercury, and it's thought to have subsurface saltwater oceans. Where does Earth's moon rank in the list of our solar system's largest moons? Fifth, behind Ganymede, Titan, Callisto, and Io. What was the first planet found using a telescope? Uranus, discovered by William Herschel in 1781. Originally, he thought it was a comet. Seeing it days later, it had moved in the sky. What makes Pino Astro different from other astronomy channels? We have a welcoming community. Here, all are welcome. Direct access to a scientist. I'll answer any question you ask. Plus, we play great music. How many constellations are recognized by the International Astronomical Union? 88 constellations. Polls suggest that the most easily seen are Orion, Ursa Major, Ursa Minor, Canis Major, Cassiopeia, and Leo the Long. Which planet is known as Mars? Martian regolith or dust has iron oxides, which give it a rusty appearance. Its thin atmosphere doesn't contribute much to its appearance. Which planet is known as the morning star? Venus. Both Mercury and Venus are closer to the Sun than Earth, therefore they appear close to the Sun in our sky. Being the brightest planet, Venus stands out at sunrise and sunset. What is the name given to planets outside of our solar system? Exoplanets. The closest one is identified as Proxima Centauri b, a super-Earth, which is larger and more massive than Earth, only about 4 light-years away. It's in the habitable zone of Proxima Centauri, meaning it could have liquid water.